Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Maplewood, New Jersey, and we have just completed this beautiful corner shower with 3/8" low iron clear tempered glass and the diamond fusion coating on it. This is a curbless enclosure. It has a knee wall here separating the vanity from the main shower area. All the hardware here is in polished chrome, and as you see, we use clamps here at the bottom of the curb. I try to encourage my clients not to use clamps because we do have to drill a hole into the curb, but I am skilled enough to know how I can seal that hole after I drill it, and also not drilling too far down that you're ruining the sheathing and the weather protection under the curb. All right, and we have a ladder style pull here, back to back. If you follow my channel at all, you know that I love installing dual acting doors, which is where they open out and in. But on this one, this is mainly a kid's bath. So the homeowner was concerned, with the kids constantly opening the door in and hitting that shower head. So instead, we made this into a traditional single acting door. All right. And that sound that you hear there is the bottom curb, the bottom sweep, lightly rubbing on the tile work. Beautiful tile floor, by the way. All right. And accuracy is key in these type of scenarios. So if you are in the Maplewood area and you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.
Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a bear spider will crawl on your face.